is Viva Podcast. Thank you for joining in our morning daily devotion.
Reflections from the life of Joseph. Genesis chapter 50, verses 15 to 21, we read: When Joseph's brothers saw that their father was dead, they said, "What if Joseph holds a grudge against us and pays us back for all the wrongs we did to him?" So they sent word to Joseph saying, "Your father left these instructions before he died. This is what you are to say to Joseph. I ask you to forgive your brothers the sins and the wrongs they committed in treating you so badly. Now please forgive the sins of the servants of the God of your father." When their message came to him, Joseph wept. His brothers then came and threw themselves down before him. "We are your slaves," they said. But Joseph said to them, "Don't be afraid. Am I in the place of God? You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good to accomplish what is now being done, the saving of many lives. So then don't be afraid. I will provide for you and your children." And he reassured them and spoke kindly to them. Joseph showed grace to his brothers. To show grace is to extend favor or kindness to one who doesn't deserve it. Joseph had every opportunity and the power now to punish or to kill his brothers, but he did not do that. Instead, he saw the overarching plan of God through all that he went through. Joseph mentions, "Am I in the place of God?" Joseph knew very well that it is the plan and purpose of God that he had to walk through this path, a difficult journey for him. In the end, it was God's plan that was accomplished. What are some of the qualities or characteristics we can learn from Joseph? No vengeance but forgiveness. Many times we harbor vengeance against those who have wronged us. We wait for the time to see how we can hurt the person who has hurt you and be happy about it. Sometimes we hurt people who have hurt us. The Bible tells us to put on compassion and kindness and allow God to take vengeance. We also see that Joseph had the right attitude. Wherever Joseph was, whether it was in his father's house, or in the pit, or in the prison, or even in the palace, Joseph had right attitude. We see that Joseph was successful in everything he did because God was with him. We also see that Joseph had his priorities right. He had God before him. Now, when his brothers are asking for forgiveness, once again, he says, "Am I in the place of God?" He also understood the importance of family and he reassured his brothers that he would take care of them and their families. We also see that Joseph trusted God. In the beginning of his journey, he had dreams broken and disappointments, but he recognized that everything was working together for his good. There is a beautiful song written by Baby Mason. The lyrics of this song is, "All things work for our good, though sometimes we don't see how they could. Struggles that break our hearts into two sometimes blind us to the truth. Our Father knows what's best for us. His ways are not our own. So when your pathway grows dim and you just don't see Him, remember you're never alone. God is too wise to be mistaken. God is too good to be unkind. So when you don't understand, when you don't see His plan, when you can't raise His hand, trust His heart, trust His heart. He sees the master plan and He holds our future in His hand. So don't live as those who have no hope. All our hope is found in Him. We see the present clearly, but He sees the first and the last. And like a tapestry, He's weaving you and me to someday be just like Him. So trust His heart. Will you extend grace to those who have hurt you? Will you, like Joseph, exhibit the qualities of Christ likeness? Take time to meditate on God's word today and may the Lord speak to your heart and bless you. Have a blessed day.
For more details, please contact 916364252164 or email us to info@fibaonline.org.